let's get organized so we can go on a trip.
Close your eyes to get away. Just beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah.
I'm Morgan, and welcome back to my channel, Actualize AF. We talk strategies and tips to actualize all the goals you desire. And today we are talking organizing and packing for a trip. Because I am going on a trip. Make sure you catch my next video because I'm going to vlog one day of it. And I'm leaving in literally less than 12 hours. So I need to pack everything. But the key to a quality, fun, fabulous time is to make sure that you're organized beforehand so that you don't forget anything, you don't lose anything, and you're dressed accordingly, honey. Because when you look good, you feel good, and you show up as the person that you want to be. The first thing is to get a quality suitcase that will last the tough times, that is the airport security and the airport handlers, whatever they're called. So this is a Kenneth Cole carry-on suitcase. It's hard surface, and I only do the wheels, the 4 wheels now, because that's just life. I don't want to have to rustle with this suitcase. So I got this from Marshall's. A good place to shop for suitcases, carry-ons is places like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, places like that. So let's open this up and then I'll show you my next stage. This is the inside of the suitcase, and I'm just gonna start filling it up. So first I'm gonna put my clothes in, and I already kind of categorize them in the way that I want to put these in, but and I already why did I put them up here? So we are organizing today. I'm going to start off with my clothes, and I'm actually going there for a graduation. So I just packed a little graduation dress. This is a dress from Marshall's, super cute. Yeah, just very neutral. I am going with the neutral vibe for this trip, as you will see very soon, because I usually wear streetwear. As you know, I'm a streetwear girly, but Scottsdale is not streetwear. So I want to stick with the vibe of the location. And yeah, just do a few neutrals, you know what I mean. So that is my dress that I'm gonna wear for the graduation. And then of course you have to pack pajamas, and I got this really cute set from Amazon. I showed it before in my Thanksgiving video, but this is the cutest set from Amazon, and it makes you feel fabulous. And one thing about me being on vacation, if I'm staying in a hotel, I need my pajamas to look and feel fabulous so that I can get the entire essence of being on vacation. So yeah, I love this set, and it is elevated and it makes me feel absolutely fabulous. So I'm just gonna put that in my suitcase. For the next day, I will probably go on a little hike. Hopefully I wake up early enough to go on the hike and then come back to the hotel and shower before I have to check out. But I just bought some hiking I didn't buy this. Nothing here is new, okay? I brought some leggings, and these are Gymshark. These are such good leggings, and they have like a little scrunch in the booty, but not too much to make you like want to scream, because you know those leggings that just are absolutely too much. And then just a little tank top. I have no clue where this is from. Probably from Marshall's. Again, my favorite place, Marshall's. So I'm definitely going to pack that for a hike. And I'm also going to pack a little bag. This is Dagny Dover. This is my favorite crossbody. I've shown it in my Instagram videos before, and I have it in my Like to Know It link down below. So this is the perfect crossbody because it's tiny enough to go on a hike. The material is like that scuba material. So whenever it gets wet, it dries up very quickly. And it has this mesh pocket for your phone, and you can just keep, a lip gloss, your phone, and an extra charger in here, and your room key. So this is the perfect crossbody for running errands and even going on a hike. Dagny Dover, linked below. All right, so we did the hike, and next we're walking around town, and we might go shopping, but not too much because I'm not about that life. So I brought this really cute set. Actually, it's not a set, but I'm making it a set. These pants are from Target, and I feel like every girl has these pants because I've seen them on every single vacation that I've taken. but they're just like wide leg and super flowy. And where I'm going, it's supposed to be 90 degrees. And it's like, honey, why is it so hot? So I'm gonna wear these pants with this little vest, and it's gonna be really cute. Just like a very neutral vibration for my trip. And then on my head, because I feel like it's going to be hot and I don't want to sweat out my braid gel or just have braid gel running down my face, I'm going to tie this scarf that also matches the pants around my head and just have it kind of flow off and be, a Southwest kind of vibe. So I will still have time after having gone shopping during the day to maybe catch dinner or do something special before I head back. And I'm thinking about wearing these two dresses. So this one I love. I wore this in Jamaica, and this is a tube top dress from Miss Lola. And it's super stretchy and comfortable, and it's long, and I think that this will be a cute dress for dinner and just vibing around the city. Oh my God. Or I want to give myself options because I don't know what my tummy is going to be feeling like that day. So I also got this dress I shared this in my unboxing video, but I got this dress from Zip Shop Eat. And it's like a zebra print dress, and it has the accentuated curve lines because of the legs. And then on the back, it has the accentuated bootay. And then it's definitely a spaghetti strap shirt. So yeah, depending on how I feel, I'm going off of vibes for this trip, but I know that I want to feel good. So I'm going to bring two options for dinner to make sure that I feel good. That's the goal. All right. And then we have to go home. And the airport outfit is going to be this Calvin Klein zip-up top. I think I got this from Marshall's as well. Yeah, so I'm going to pair this with, you already know, my favorite pants in the world. These are from Fashion Nova, the zip-up pants, and they're so comfortable, and they're great for just lounging, but also dressing up. But these are great airport pants, I feel like. So I'm going to pack these to go home. All right, that's enough clothes. Oh, not yet, because I might be lounging at the pool for like a few minutes, like literally. When I get there, I'm going to take a meeting on the computer, and then I'm going to probably sit by the pool a little bit before I have to go to the graduation. So I'm definitely going to pack some bathing suits, and this one is from Target. It's really old. They probably don't even have it anymore, but it's like one of these bathing suits, and then it has a cutout, and then it's the bottoms, if you can imagine. Uh-oh, it's storming outside. So we're going to pack these swimsuits, and then just to give myself options, I have to have options. This is a blue bathing suit, and it's got a little bootay action. So yeah, again, I'll see how I'm feeling. I'll see what the vibe is out there. And then I have just like a cover up. It's really nothing special, but I got this from Target as well. And it's just like a short little cover up. And yeah, I'll probably just wear this with some flip flops or something like that and head down to the pool. All right. And then for purses, what I'm going to do is I have this purse. This is actually from Walmart. And then I have my sunglasses that I'm going to bring. These I actually got from the beauty supply store here in Atlanta. They have the best sunglasses. If you're looking for sunglasses, go to the beauty supply store. And I'm going to put these in my purse so that I don't crush them. Or I might put these in my airport bag so I don't crush them. This is the purse I'm going to bring to the graduation. This is J.W. Quay. And I got this off of Amazon. I linked it below in my storefront, but it's super cute. It actually has a long strap, so you can wear it like crossbody or a little bit longer on the shoulder, but it's structured, so it doesn't like fall down on you. It's a really cute purse to, dress up and dress casual too. I don't know if I'll have enough space This is a Michael Kors belt bag, I guess. You wear it around your waist, and I'm going to wear this during the day, but I'm actually not sure how that's going to be possible because I want to bring my camera, I want to bring my phone, I want to bring more things that then will fit in this purse, so I'm going to bring it just in case, but I doubt that I will actually use it, but I'm going to put it in. I'm gonna put 2 pairs of socks because of the height. And then now it is time to put together my makeup bag and my toiletries bag. And this is actually the most exciting part because I have some really cool things that I got from Amazon to hold everything and make my process so much easier to travel. So first up is makeup. All right, so I got this makeup travel bag off of Amazon. It's a structured makeup bag, so you could easily fit things in here and they won't crush. So I'm just gonna fill up my makeup bag real quick. What? Okay, next up are my toiletries, and I used this bag also bought from Amazon. Okay, it looks like this, and it has compartments on the sides and a big compartment on the inside where you put your bigger stuff. And I like this because it fits full-size bottles of things if you have a checked bag. But for me, I have a carry-on, and we'll see how much I can actually fit in the carry-on. But I'm just going to put everything in here, and I like it. It's a little bit dirty, don't judge me, but it has a compartment on the top here for smaller items, and then the compartments on the bottom for bigger items. Again, this is dirty. I need to wash this, but it's only, makeup from past trips galore, so we're fine. And I'll put my toothbrush in there tomorrow, and I'll need to buy some body wash at the airport because I don't have any travel size. And next up is all of the electronics that I'm going to bring and how I package them and store them to make sure that I have everything. So I have this electronics carrier case, and I put an air tag on it just to make sure that I don't lose anything. Again, this is all in my Amazon storefront, so everything's linked below. But I'm going to start filling this up with things that I need. For example, my Apple Watch charger to make sure that I can charge my watch on the go. then I definitely forgot to show this jewelry case that I always use when I travel, and I just stick my earrings in there. I'm gonna put some more necklaces in so that I can have options, of course, and then pack this somewhere in here. Get that. We did it. I'm all packed for tomorrow. I'm also ready for the airport. Let me show you my airport outfit. This is a little set from Rich Royal. It's a Black-owned company here in Atlanta. And yeah, he makes really cute sets. So it's a short and it's like pinstripe, and it says Rich Royal on the front. And then there's a top to go with it, and it's just like a little button down top, and it's kind of like baggier than the shorts, so I really like it. And everybody knows it's gonna be cold on the plane, so I'm going to bring a little sweatshirt, a little crew neck, and this is my Martha's Vineyard sweatshirt. So it's definitely giving Nantucket, giving Cape Cod, it's giving she vacations in Martha's Vineyard. So yeah, that's a really cute airport vibe. And I'm gonna wear my pink sandals to go with it, because I'm just gonna wear my pink sandals around the hotel, to the pool, everything like that. And then, like I mentioned, I'm just going to bring my spray ground bag to the airport. I like this bag because it fits my MacBook Air, so I'll be able to have everything that I need right at my fingertips, and I just have my carry-on. So it's going to be a really fast, easy trip because I was prepared and I got organized beforehand and I planned everything out. And yeah, so make sure you catch my vlog of my travels and my time away on vacation to celebrate a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how you prepare for trips and what are the best tips that you can give other people to just get organized and get mentally prepared for trips so that you can have a fabulous time. And make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, like this video, and don't forget all the links are down below. So I will talk to you in the next video, and I will see you soon. Bye.